Alright, this one's for YouTube. The middle of Columbia River. Just get back here as far as I can and still steer. Headed west with a good southerly wind. On the port side, Looters 21 off just the jib. These are a little rough. I don't know if you can see that in the viewfinder, but a little rough out here. A lot of bow spray. Wasn't bracing myself well. A powerboat coming down the water.